Yugioh Duel Links.
The headline will read, Carly Carmine, Duel Champion.
I knew we'd duel eventually, because the best must face the best. Let's see what you can do.
Duel!
It's my turn. I'll play this. I summon a monster in attack position. I'm setting a card. I'll end my turn.
My turn! I draw! I won't let a scoop pass me by. Here's Magical Exemplar! From my hand, I activate an equip spell. Here's the continuous spell, Miracle Stone. Battle! Magical Exemplar attacks!
My trap card activates. Double Passe! As a duelist, I'll do everything it takes to win, even if that means taking damage.
Ouch! Magical Exemplar attacks!
I'm still in this.
I'll end my turn.
I refuse to lose. It's my turn. I draw. I'm setting a monster. Here I go. Let's battle. Watch and learn. I attack you directly with my monster.
Someone help me!
I end my turn.
Watch me make my comeback. My turn. I draw. My fortune says my luck will be so-so. Her lucky plant helps her find missing objects. Fortune fairy, who? Strong wind dragon, rage! Did you like my Jack impression? I feel like battling. Magical Exemplar attacks!
It's not over. I know I can still win.
Don't try. Strong wind dragon attacks! Strong hurricane!
I didn't know there were duelists as strong as you.
I should be in the headline instead of the byline.